Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Topcoder, www.topcoder.com, stands as a prominent platform within the competitive programming sphere. It provides a vibrant online community for programmers worldwide to engage in various coding challenges, contests, and algorithmic competitions. These events range from single-round matches to lengthy marathons, offering opportunities for skill development and recognition. Topcoder caters to a diverse skill set, welcoming both seasoned coding veterans and those new to the competitive scene. Beyond the competitive aspect, Topcoder serves as a valuable resource for honing programming skills. The platform boasts a rich archive of past problems and solutions, enabling users to learn from previous competitions and improve their problem-solving abilities. This repository serves as an excellent training ground for aspiring programmers and a valuable tool for experienced coders to stay sharp. The competitive nature of Topcoder fosters an environment of continuous learning and improvement. Participants are constantly challenged to push their boundaries and refine their coding techniques. This dynamic atmosphere promotes growth and encourages participants to explore new algorithms and data structures. The platform's ranking system further incentivizes excellence, providing a clear metric for progress and achievement. Furthermore, Topcoder often collaborates with industry partners to host sponsored challenges and competitions. This provides participants with real-world problem-solving experience and potential networking opportunities. These collaborations offer valuable insights into industry demands and can pave the way for career advancement in the software development field. The platform's community forums also provide a space for programmers to connect, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects. In conclusion, Topcoder represents a dynamic and engaging platform for competitive programming and skill development. Its diverse range of challenges, extensive problem archive, and vibrant community make it a valuable resource for programmers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned competitor or just starting your coding journey, Topcoder offers a wealth of opportunities for growth and learning. So, head over to www.topcoder.com and explore the exciting world of competitive programming.